Now, let's begin the cord cutting meditation. This practice will help you release any energetic attachments that are no longer serving you, so that you can restore your personal power, increase your vitality, and open yourself up to more love and healthy connections. As always, find a comfortable position. You can sit in a chair with your feet flat on the floor or lie down with your hands resting gently on your lap or by your sides. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Take a moment to tune into your body. Notice how it feels in this moment. Notice any tension, discomfort, or emotional residue. Simply observe without judgment. Let's start to shift our focus to the energetic cords that may be attached to you. You don't need to know exactly where these cords are attached or who they are attached to. Trust that your body and energy field will show you what needs to be released. Take a deep breath in. Imagine roots extending from the soles of your feet, grounding you deeply into the earth. Feel the support of the earth beneath you, if it is holding you, nurturing you, and giving you strength. Feel your energy becoming more stable, centered, and secure. Allow yourself to feel the calm presence of your higher self and the grounding energy of the earth. Invite the healing energy into your space. Visualize bright, warm light, white or golden, pouring down from above, surrounding your entire body. This is a healing light, full of love and protection. With each breath, feel this healing light filling every part of your body and energy field. Now bring to mind the relationships or situations that may have created emotional, energetic cords in your life. You may think of specific people, experiences, or situations. Trust that your mind and body will guide you to the connections that are ready to be released. Visualize these cords as energetic strings or ropes that connect you to the people or situations. These cords may be attached to your heart, solar plexus, or any other part of your body. Take a moment to observe these cords. They might feel heavy, dark, or draining. You may notice their color, texture, or even the emotions that arise when you think of them. Take a look, keep feeling, observing those cords. Visualize it as strong as possible for you. Now visualize yourself holding a pair of scissors or a knife, an energetic tool designed to cut through the cords. As you hold the scissors, trust that you are ready to release any unhealthy attachments. With the intention of freeing yourself from this connection, gently cut through each cord. As you cut, you may feel a sense of relief, lightness, or emotional release. Let yourself feel it and be in this moment. Let any emotion come through you. Accept it, feel it, be with it. Know that you are not severing the relationship itself, but rather the emotional attachment that has been draining or limiting you. As you cut the cords, visualize the energy flowing back into you, replenishing your vitality and sense of self. See the space where the cord was, now filled with healing light. Fill it up with healing light. Once the cords have been cut, take a moment. Heal the areas where the cords were attached. Imagine a warm, golden light flowing into these areas, closing any energy leaks and sealing your energy field with a sense of wholeness. Feel that golden light filling you up, surrounding every part of your body. Affirm to yourself, I am free from any draining or toxic connections. I reclaim my energy. I am whole, balanced, and at peace. I am free from any draining or toxic connections. I reclaim my own energy. I am whole. I am balanced. I am at peace. Take a few deep breaths and allow yourself to feel the healing energy fill you completely. Feel lighter, more connected to your true self. Now slowly bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel your breath. You can wiggle your fingers and toes and take a deep breath. As you exhale, open your eyes slowly, bringing the sense of peace, release, and balance with you. Remember, cord cutting is a powerful practice that can help you restore your emotional freedom and create space for healthier relationships and more love in your life. You can practice this meditation as often as you like to release any cords that are holding you back or draining your energy.